Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 19th block, which is timelines and sources of history. Isn't it, children? So, we have learned what is a timeline. That is the sequence of events when we arrange in a proper way. That is called timeline. Isn't it, children? According to the time. Yes. And how did we learn? We have arranged the events in the history based on two important ways. One is the Prophet Muhammad moving from city Makkah to Medina in history system. And generally, we follow the birth of Jesus Christ. The events happened before the birth of Jesus Christ and after the birth of Jesus Christ. Isn't it? That is the way we have arranged the events in history. Yes. And we have also learned the sources of history, isn't it? The primary sources and the secondary sources. Okay, and in the last topic we are going to learn about why we should study history, why study history. Okay, so please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 120. So why we have to study history is history helps us to understand what happened in the past, how happened in the past, how were the people in the past, how was society different from now and in the past. Okay, so if you see your content book, children, you can see the picture of Charminar, isn't it? The black and white one is the earlier in the past and the new one is your color picture. Okay, and if you look at it, children, you can say that past people used to walk. There were no automobiles, no vehicles only, isn't it? And the houses were very close, isn't it? Close to Charminar, yes. But if you see in the new picture, recent picture, in the color picture, you can say that you can see more automobiles and more people also when compared to past, isn't it? And people are traveling in the automobiles, like in vehicles, in autos, on scooters, isn't it, children? On the bikes, yes. So in this way you will get to know the information how the people and situations and the society was there at that point of time and now. And also you can say that at that point of time we only had white and black pictures only. The photos were only the photographer used to take only the white and black pictures. Now we have color. Now we have cameras in our phones itself, isn't it, children? And if you see the old phones, they used to be the line lens. Okay, and when we had the first cell phone, hand phone, then that was also very huge. Later they became small. Now we have touch phones, and we can also talk to people. We can send pictures, we can receive pictures, we can send us videos. Yes, all these that were not there at that point of time. So if you learn about them, you will get to know how we have developed ourselves. Okay, how we have developed ourselves so that we can lead a easy life, we can say. Okay, children, so that is about why we need to study history. Okay, and if you see, did you know, children, to know about the past, people dig objects, old objects, so that they can study how, which materials they were using at that point of time, how did they made the vessels, with what they used, what were the jewelry, how they used to fight in the battle, what were the ornaments they used to wear when they are in battle, when they are at home, when they are having festival, how people used to enjoy the festivals, how do they do the celebrations. All those we will get some small things so that people will get to know how those people were there in that at that point of time. Okay, and the people who dig up these old objects and study about old buildings, those people are called as archaeologists. Okay, those are archaeologists, the people who learn about history, who try to know more about history. They dig up old objects, old buildings, they visit old buildings to study, to understand how they have used, what they have used, everything. Okay, those people are called archaeologists. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. And Also read Why Study History. If you find any other difficult word, you can include in your keywords also. Okay, coming to your question answers. Write two reasons why it is helpful to study history. Okay, so that we can understand how people lived in the past, and also we can see how things are today, how they were earlier, how they are today, how they got developed from there to here. Okay, so this is how the history helps us. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 18, S4, Why Study History. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children. So in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, and also the skill sheet of this block I will be sending you after the formative exams. And for formative exams, write neatly, leave some space in between. If the answer is not sufficient, write it on your white side of your paper. Okay, and be careful with the capital letters, children. Okay, and spelling mistakes also. Okay, all the best for your exams, children. Bye.